How do I earn in the stock market? Everything in the stock market revolves on the principle of supply and demand. Okay, so first is through profit gain. So this is the result from the change in the market price from its buying price in which we are profiting. There are two types of trade position kung saan pwede tayong mag-gain ng profit. So we have the long positions and the short positions. When we say we go long, it is a market term for buying with the goal of selling at a higher price. So we buy when you expect the price to go up. This is what we normally do in PSE, the local stock market. So we buy and then sell at a higher price. A long position is a winning position when the price goes up. Sa trading course, dito tayo mostly magpo-focus on how we can gain profit in long positions. So, next, when we say we go short naman, we sell when you expect the price to go down. So, it is a market term for selling shares first, then buying it at a lower price. It is the opposite of going long. So, the price difference will be your profit. Kunwari, bumili tayo sa taas, then we expect that the price will go down. Kung ano yung difference nun, yun yung magiging profit natin. So far, wala pang short selling sa PSE, but the global markets do have this process. Next, we have the dividends. A dividend is a distribution of a portion of a company's earnings decided by the board of directors paid to its shareholders. A dividend can be issued as follows. So, we have the cash dividend. So, it is a distribution of the company's income in the form of cash. We also have the stock dividend or dividends distributed to a shareholder in the form of additional shares of the company. And next is yung property dividends or the dividends distributed in the form of assets like tangible products of the company.